Welcome back to Technology. This is prompt engineering.
The task is the most important thing. That is what you want ChatGPT to do. Next, there is the context. This is important, and these two things need to be implemented almost every single time. Really, you want to think, what's the user's background, what does success look like, and what the environment they are is in. So in this case, we're providing the context as I am an SEO writer, giving him SEO keywords. Next, you're going to present the task. In this task, we're just going to say, give me 5 SEO ideas based on these keywords to grow my website. The more information, the better. So if you really want to optimize the content, you can do multitask where you can give ChatGPT multiple things, such as generate, summarize, categorize. When you give ChatGPT the more information, it helps it to narrow down exactly what tasks you're giving it. So in this case, we're going to say generate a playbook to get consistent greens on Yoast SEO. Then we're going to do summarize, ways to implement my keywords, and then categorize least to most difficult. And it will present you with the options. Next is Exemplar. These are examples. Again, this is important. So for example, you could say, rewrite my resume and give it an example bullet. Or you can give it an example article, or give it an example bio, or give it an example YouTube topic. You want to give ChatGPT more examples so that it knows how to structure whatever you want it to do for you. Again, these are examples and these are nice to have. moving on to tone. Tone is who you want your AI to be. So in this case, we're going to say the tone is professional, and we want a certain type of article. We're going to go 250 to 500 words, and it's going to be on whatever topic. So as you can see, we are building upon our previous elements. So we always have our task and our context, and we're building upon that by giving it examples, or in this case, telling AI who you want it to be. There's other ways you can do this. So you can say, AI, I want you to be a programmer, and then give it code to debug. Or I want you to have the tone of an SEO article, and then give it that keyword. So tone is really important, especially if you're creating a lot of content, to tailor what you want the prompt to actually, or what you want the AI to actually be given your prompt. And we're going to conclude with format. These are nice to haves, especially when you have raw data. So in the case of, we have a neural network data, for instance, you can say format this content into a 250 word article or a 250 word essay. So this can help, but again, like I mentioned earlier, make sure to proofread the AI and really just think of it as a rough draft that certainly needs to be tailored when you have SEO, or in general, you're writing a piece of prose. And these are the elements of prompt engineering. Make sure to hit that subscribe button.